It's Kate with Marketecture Media, and this is The Refresh, your weekly download on what went down in advertising last week. This week's theme is CTV and monopolies. Let's get into it. First, let's talk The Trade Desk, who finally admitted what we all knew. They're building out a TV operating system. Despite the altruistic positioning, this is very obviously a play to gain a stronger foothold in one of the most important channels, CTV, with one of the most important assets, data. Hey Trade Desk. It's okay to get your bag, but no one's buying the altruism act anymore. Which device manufacturer would The Trade Desk partner with to do this, though? Sounds like it could be Sonos. Some details in the patent for Sonos proposed TV should make advertisers' ears perk up. The plans called out using your phone as a remote, voice control, and a social element. Let's keep talking TV by talking about Comcast's announcement to spin off some of their NBCUniversal cable channels. Writing is on the wall here. Linear assets are being viewed as dead weight as they become increasingly difficult to monetize. The spin-off company could become a sort of island of lost toys for cable assets as more companies look to offload. Our final bit of TV news comes with Mediaocean's acquisition of Innovid, giving them access to and ownership of streaming and linear TV inventory. What I find interesting about some of these recent acquisitions is that it moves what were once universally available vendors under the umbrella and ownership of one media partner. And yes, strengthening your offering to gain more market share is the point of M&A, but it's worth keeping an eye on as the industry trends towards more consolidation, especially among these bigger players. Finally, let's talk monopolies, as the DOJ just told Google, we want you to sell Chrome, and a bunch of other things. This isn't really being viewed as the best remedy. Selling Chrome doesn't mean people are going to stop using Google, and it could create worse experiences and outcomes for consumers and advertisers. It's also worth considering the fragmentation that's starting to happen within search as people look to LLMs like ChatGPT or social environments for their search needs. Or the browser space could get spicy if OpenAI decides to have a go at Google. That's all for this week. Thanks for joining the very first episode of The Refresh, and let us know what you think in the comments.